Here's the mail, it never fails. It makes me wanna wag my tail. When it comes, I wanna well mail.
She's special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it.
Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm Elaine Michelle. If this is your very first time seeing me, hello, hi, how you doing? What's up, new bestie? Make sure you click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my videos. Now, I've been trying to introduce you guys to some Black-owned businesses that you can get into. I hope you guys have been enjoying this because a lot of times we don't know what we don't know until we don't know it. And I love to support people, but this one is a little bit close and dear to my heart. This is, I call her my little sister, but she's definitely, like, literally she's married into my family and now she's my cousin. But when I first was acquainted with her, I was in high school, and am I two years older? Here, just put it down in the comments. Am I 2 years older? I believe I'm like 2 years older. I don't know. Anyway, but she married one of my favorite guy cousins that, like, yeah. Anyway, long story short, when she told me that she was making, she was starting her business, candle business, I was like, yes, please, like, let me know so I can support. And so everything I actually paid for on my own, I wanted to support. You guys know me, I love, you know, I don't mind getting the little freebies, but I do love to support businesses. I don't care, small, mostly I will support a small business. I'll support you, just know I support. So anyways, this is the package from Love Scent Candle, you guys, and I'm so excited to get into it. So let's see. You can see from the packaging she has her label on here. Y'all, I'm so excited. I'm like, this is so dope, yo, like, dope. I'm so excited. Now, I have not smelled anything because, again, they are in Indiana and I'm down here in Memphis. But I hope during Thanksgiving I'll be able to, like, grab some more while I'm up there. Oh yes, look at this. It's the attention for details for me, okay? So we have our Love Scent candle stuff over here. So I ordered a 3 ounce of the wax melt snap bar, 3 ounce wax melt snap bar, and Sweetest Girl. So Sir and Sweetest Girl, and then 7 ounce candles in Love Jones and Relax. So I'm excited about that. Let's look inside of here. Ooh, okay, we got us a little thank you God. Okay. All right, so this says, thank you for supporting my business. Look at this card. This is what I'm talking about. So cute. So it has a beautiful soul. The beauty of the soul reaches further than external beauty. One who has a beautiful soul is also a genuine soul, displaying honesty and selflessness. They are at peace within themselves and an inspiration to others. At Love Scent Candle Co. on IG. That is so cool. And then it also has Candle Care 101. Never leave the candle unattended or around children and pets. Never burn a candle for more than 4 hours at a time. Always trim the wick 1/4 inch prior to the next burn. And always leave a 1/2 inch of the wax at the bottom of the jar to prevent overheating. Come on now with the Candle Care. Did y'all know that? Y'all probably did, and I'm just, you know, y'all know how I am. So, ooh, I like freebies. Okay. So this is the wax melt sample, and this is in mango colada. So I'm about to sniff it. Don't mind me. I'm gonna tell y'all what it smells like, okay? Ooh. If you like pina coladas. I like mango coladas, and this is so. Oh, why didn't I get? Is this a scent that I missed out on? Oh, y'all know I'm so like real simple-minded, so I be trying to, you know. Anyway, that one smell real good. I'm about to go put that in my wax melt right now. Okay, so let's get to these. I wanted to show you guys how it came packaged so that you would be able to see for yourself, like, the care of the items, because again, like I told you, this is coming all the way from Indiana for me, and I'm in Tennessee. So that's one of the things I kind of worry about sometimes, is like, is it gonna come good? But you can see that she has packed us up really nicely with the bubble thingy bobbers, these cheese puffs, bubble puff. They look like cheese puffs to me, but who are me, okay? Who are me to tell them what they are? I'm so excited to get into this. Look at this. Like, baby girl put the time in, and I'm so proud. Like, oh my gosh. Okay. This one is Relax. This is lavender, eucalyptus, and y'all know I don't know what that says right there. Bergamot, sandalwood. Okay, I don't know. Let me stop playing, but ooh. This gives me fresh vibes. Like it's just a fresh smelling candle. Like almost like not quite linen. Y'all, I'm silly. This is lavender. Like it's lavender. Clearly it's lavender. But the eucalyptus makes me like even just sniffing it up right now. Just, ooh. We need to get us a lighter so we can light the candle. Let me get a lighter. Hold on. Lighter? Where are you? I know we got one. Oh, right here. So let's light this one up and just see how it burns and how it smells. Okay, so got us lit. We are lit over here. I'm gonna let that one just kind of lead the mood because it said relax on it. And you know, it's Sunday. Baby girl wants to relax. All right, so let's get into this one here. All right. I'm gonna make sure I wash the papers now so I don't just whatchamacallit. But look, she got the paper got the Candle Co name on it. I'm so here for it. I should have been trying to save it. Could have used that to give to somebody. And then this one, it has vanilla, tonka, coconut, cocoa butter. Anyways, it's Love Jones, okay? This one is called Love Jones. Ooh. Now, it's not an overbearing smell. This is not overbearing. This is like the perfect mix. You know, sometimes you can get a vanilla and it's too vanilla-y. And sometimes you can get a coconut and it's too coconutty. This is like the perfect blend of the two, that it's giving a nice aroma and that cocoa butter. Like, it just... Listen, I can't light all these candles at one time. This is not good. This is my problem with Bath and Body Works stuff too. Like I will literally, I want to light all the candles and smell all the smells at one time, and you can't do that. So I gotta just let relax just burn in here. I'm gonna let Love Jones burn in the room later. So many choices and decisions I have to make out here in these streets. Okay, let's get to this one. Ooh. Okay, so this one is Sir, and it's lavender, geranium, mahogany wood. Now, y'all know I love mahogany. I didn't know how much I love mahogany until I saw it, but I love mahogany. And I'm introducing you guys to this stuff because you guys know the holidays are coming, so why not shop Black-owned businesses, okay, for the holidays? Let me show you guys what this looks like. Ooh, look at that. You know, I gotta keep, maybe I'm hungry because I'm like, ooh, this will be some good, okay, maybe chocolate, but this smells so, yo, this is the one. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. Oh my goodness. Can y'all smell it? Here, just sniff up. Go ahead, sniff up. If you can imagine, you got your significant other, and he come in, he done work just a little bit. Not even that. We're not even going to say he worked just a little bit because we don't want that kind of musk. It's not a musk. This is him just getting out the shower. This is them just, I'm just having all kinds of feelings. I'm trying to get my story together, y'all. I'm trying to get y'all a scent. But child, like, I just know that this is Sir and it smells of goodness, okay? I'm like, why I'm single? I'm single right now. Like, this is not going to help me. I'm going to have to burn Sir whenever I get the urge to not be single no more. I'm just burn Sir. Is that how that works? You see how I roll that in there? Roll that in there. Okay. So we got one more of these bars, and I will have all the prices and stuff down below so you guys can get into it. And again, shipping was really quick and really fast. And this is a company that's located in Indiana and is Black owned. And I can't stress that enough. I'm always so proud of when one of my family members or, anyone I know starts a business, because it's not an easy thing. Like, none of this stuff is easy. I think sometimes we don't really truly appreciate the work and hard work people put into it. So I want to pay the full price because, they put a lot, look at this. This is a lot of work. You don't just wake up and start making candles like this and have it smelling good. Ooh, the sweetest girl. This is citrus, jasmine, and honeysuckle. Child! Whoa! This smells so good. Oh, this smells so good. Oh my gosh. And I love wax melts. I'm gonna do some more wax melts because yeah, these are really good for me. I don't know if I told y'all I kind of got a low-key fear of fire, but who are me to tell you guys all of that? But I don't really do a lot of fire. So I would prefer the wax melts, but I like the candles because when you burn a good candle, that scent is everything. So anyways, you guys, I want you to make sure you check out Love Scent Candle Co. Tell them that I sent you. Tell them that I told you guys about the company, and let me know what you think of the scents. She's constantly working on new smells, getting things together. So I hope you guys will support, and thank you so much to my my little sister Kiera. I love you so much, and I hope that your business continues to grow and you continue to see success in what you're doing. I'm so proud of you. And I mean, this everything from packaging to the scents to, you know, how you did your website, everything is amazing, girl. Like, I'm over here like, yes, yes, yes. I love it so much. So I hope you guys will go support as much as I love to support everybody else. I want to make sure that you guys support as well and show them a little love. So I will catch you guys in our next video. Mwah. KK, bye.
Special and she reckless. Baby, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing.